Hello guys, I am back with another interesting video. Today I gonna show you how to create Windows 10 bootable pen drive on Kali Linux. It's also work on any other Linux operating system. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, first of all, we have to download UNetbootin Linux software. Okay, open the link from the description. Alright, it's official site of UNetbootin. Now we have to download UNetbootin for Linux operating system. Simply click on Download Linux. It will redirect to download page. Okay. Now select the binaries. If you are using 32-bit Linux operating system, download the 32-bit binary. Or if you are using 64-bit Linux operating system, select the 64-bit binary. Okay. I am using 64-bit operating system. So guys, I'm going to download 64-bit binary. Within few seconds, download will start. Here simply save the file. It's about 4.4 MB. Okay, after successfully download, close the browser. Now go to downloads folder. Here is the UNetbootin binary. Now let's move into the desktop. Okay, now we need Windows 10 ISO image file. As you can see, I have already downloaded Windows 10 ISO image file from Microsoft.com. Okay, now we have to install mtools. Okay, open the terminal and type apt-get install mtools and press enter. Within few seconds, download and install will complete. Okay, now clear the terminal. Now we have to give exclude permission for run UNetbootin. Go to the desktop directory, type ls and press enter to list all files. Here is the UNetbootin. Okay, for give exclude permission, type chmod +x. Now copy the file name and paste it here and then press enter. Alright, close the terminal. Now we need minimum 8 GB pen drive. Insert the pen drive. Okay. Now double click on UNetbootin binary to open UNetbootin. Alright. Now select here the disk image and here browse and select the Windows 10 ISO image file. Then in the drive section, select your pen drive that you want to make bootable and then click OK. Alright, now you can see bootable process is started and it will take 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, after successfully completed, simply click on exit. Alright, now my pen drive is ready to boot. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.